Hi and welcome back to the channel, and thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to fix if your Venmo payment declined. So make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you don't miss any important step or information. And without further ado, let's get on it. So the first fix that you can try to do is to update the Venmo app. So here are the steps to update the Venmo app to a newer version on your Android or iPhone. So for your Android, just open the Play Store app and tap onto the Gmail avatar and then go to the Manage Apps and Device and tap on Updates Available. And if Venmo has an update pending, tap the Update button to get started. And for the iOS devices, just launch your App Store app and then tap onto the Apple ID avatar and now scroll through the apps listed for an update, and if Venmo is listed, just tap the update button to install the new version. And then next, you can also try to use a different network instead of a mobile data while using Venmo. So while mobile data is often slow as compared to the stable Wi-Fi network, so make sure your Android or iOS device is connected to a Wi-Fi network. So usually when a payment declines, the money doesn't get debited from your account. So even if it gets debited and doesn't get credited to the payee's account, the amount gets rolled back to your account. So you can connect your device to a Wi-Fi network and then retry the payment. Otherwise, you can toggle between flight modes on your Android or iOS phones to fix the network issues. And then next, what you can do is to check if your bank card has expired. So a credit or debit card has an expiry date that is mentioned on the card, and you just need to check and ensure that the concerned card you want to use has not expired yet. So the expiry date for any credit or debit card is mentioned in this format right here, so the month and the year. So for example, if the credit card expiry is mentioned as 9/24, so this means the expiry date is September 2024. So once the month is complete, the card will stop functioning. And if you find out that the card has expired, then reach out to your bank and follow the necessary instructions to apply for a new card. And then lastly, what you can do is to check if you have surpassed the weekly transaction limit. So weekly, there is a limit of $2.99 to peer-to-peer payments. On the other hand, users with their identity completely verified on Venmo are eligible to perform a transaction of up to $6,000 a week. So anything above is limit or anything above this limit is not allowed on Venmo. So check your transaction history on Venmo to see if your transactions throughout the week. So if you have surpassed the limit mentioned above, then you need to wait for the next week to initiate more transactions. So in a case of emergency, use other forms of payment. And so that's it for this video, and I hope this helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you don't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.